Hello, I'm Alex Hait. I've been an attorney now since 1992. Back in 2000, I opened up my own practice, and I've been in business as my own attorney with my own firm since the year 2000. The most important thing is that we care about our clients. Our clients are not simply numbers or checkbooks or a means to pay bills. We actually look at our clients as people, and we care about them. The other thing about us is that we're good at what we do. We don't beat around the bush. We don't sugarcoat things. If you can't handle being told what are the negatives of your case, you're not going to want to come to us. But if you want an honest assessment of your case, being told what we can and cannot do for you, well, you want to come to us. And if you want somebody who is going to aggressively represent you and who is going to fight for you, then you want to come to us. But you're going to get a law firm that has experience in all types of civil litigation and all types of trials, jury trials, bench trials, temporary hearings, protective orders, you name it. If it's civil litigation, we do it. When I started doing personal injury law, I heard horror stories from clients who told me how they were the one that got hurt. The doctor got paid, the lawyer got paid, and they got left holding the bag with nothing. So the first thing I did when I started doing personal injury law was I put a clause in my contracts that say, if the case resolves through a settlement, the amount of attorney's fees will not be greater than the net amount to the client after payment of medical bills and expenses. What that means is if there's only a $25,000 policy and you've got $20,000 worth of medical bills, I'm not going to take a 1/3 contingent fee of $8,300 and leave the client owing $5,000 of medical bills. The doctors will get paid so that the client does not have any outstanding bills. The attorney's fees will be $2,500 or 10%. And the client gets 10%. Every client that walks through this door gets told the same things when it comes to injuries. The number one thing you need to work on and you need to worry about is getting better. We can take care of the medical bills in some other manner. Your car can get replaced. If you have your health, you have your life. So your number one, get better. Number two, let's make somebody else pay your medical bills. You don't have to pay them. If you need help getting treatment, we can do that. We have connections. We know people. We know doctors. We have worked with many, many doctors over the last 20 years. We can get you an MRI. We can get you surgeries. So number two, make somebody else pay for those bills. And number three, let's put money in your pocket. You're the one who's hurt. You're the one who's suffering. You're the one who's had their life turned upside down. That's got to be number three. Because if you get your health and you keep yourself in the financial circumstances that you're not underwater, those are numbers 1 and 2. 3. A lot of other attorneys are going to put number 3 first, and they're going to try to tell you, listen, we'll make you millions of dollars. Don't believe them. Every attorney deals with the same thing. What sets us apart is our compassion for our clients, our communication with our clients, and the fact that we stand up to the insurance companies. And if we can't make a settlement with the insurance company, we will let 12 citizens, a jury, decide how much money you should get. Our firm handles all types of civil litigation. We do family law, divorce, domestic law, we do injury cases, car wrecks, slip and falls, truck accidents, and we also handle bankruptcies, debt relief. In this day and age, with the economy the way it is, everybody lives paycheck to paycheck. A bankruptcy is not for somebody who gets a credit card and goes out and charges tens of thousands of dollars on the credit card and says, oh, I don't have to pay that. I'm just going to file bankruptcy. No, bankruptcy is for the couple getting a divorce they had 1 or 2 incomes supporting one household, now they have to support 2. Bankruptcy is for the father who is paying child support but lost his job and is now facing jail time. Bankruptcy is for the people who took out second mortgages on their homes and saw their home value drop by 20, 30, 40, 50%. Come to us, ask me how we can help you. Ask me if I could get rid of that second mortgage. You've got a car, you're paying 9, 10, 11% interest on it, come to me. I'll cut that interest in half. You got 2 cars that you're paying for and a mortgage that you're behind on, come to me. I'll put you in a Chapter 13 and we'll lower your monthly payment on those cars. You got judgments against you, they're garnishing your wages, we'll take care of them. Phone is ringing off the hook with collectors coming after you, call us. We'll get you that good night's sleep that you haven't had for a month. We file bankruptcies for our clients, both Chapter 7 and 13. We're not going to put you in one because we want to make money. We're going to put you in the right chapter, and we're going to explain to you the differences between the 2 chapters. And we're going to put you in the one that best works for you, because you're the client.